What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in today's video we'll be going back in time. We'll be taking a look at Bitcoin, taking a look at XRP, total crypto market cap, Ethereum, and guys, we'll be comparing what all these cryptocurrencies were actually doing last year exactly at this point in time and what they are actually doing right now. The crypto market has actually gone through a lot of growth in the last 1 year, more like we have been dumping for the last 1 year, because at this point in time last year, guys, guess what? Bitcoin was trading at $64,000 and everything was all good. The market was extreme good. We'll be talking about that, the sentiment, the difference in sentiments with last year and right now. Last year we're in extreme greed at this point in time. Now we're in extreme fear. That's what 1 year in crypto can do. And the last 1 year, to be honest, the market has actually been trending downwards, but we're expecting higher prices. So we'll be talking about that. We'll be taking a look at the dollar DX chart, the dollar currency index chart. We'll be taking a look at what's happening with the dollar. Bitcoin dominance, also be taking a look at that today. What was Bitcoin dominance doing last year? What's it currently doing right now? What should we expect in the future with Bitcoin dominance? We'll take a look at the gold price chart. I want to show you something important that's happening right here. The total crypto market cap, guys, currently at $1.84 trillion. We'll be checking the chart, be analyzing what it did last year, what has the total crypto market cap done in the last 1 year. We'll take a peek at the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And guys, finally, we'll be taking a look at the crypto unicorn index. We'll be taking a look at how many cryptocurrencies had a market capitalization of over $1 billion in the last 1 year. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you are new here, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys, if you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So kicking off today's video, guys, we're talking about Bitcoin. Bitcoin, at the point of recording this video, guys, currently trading for $40,113 US. It has been a very, very wonderful year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has actually kind of technically just been ranging in the last 1 year. Bitcoin got to the $65,000 region dollars twice in the last 1 year, but right now we're at $40,000. And Bitcoin at this point in time last year, on the 13th of April 2021, guys, Bitcoin was trading above $60,000 US. The market was in extreme greed. People were expecting higher prices. Right now, I'm just going to rewind my chart to the 13th of April 2021. Let's see what we're experiencing that day. So right now, the chart is actually exactly at the 12th of April 2021. At this point in time, people were expecting higher prices for Bitcoin. Bitcoin had reached 61,000. It has dumped to already 50,000, and we're back. And we're already back at 59, 60,000. People were expecting higher prices in Bitcoin. What did Bitcoin do after that? Bitcoin actually gave us a new all-time high on the 13th of April 2021, guys. Bitcoin got to a new all-time high of 63,000 US. People were calling for 100,000. The market was in extreme greed, but the rest is history. Bitcoin got to 69,000 eventually in the year 2021, but right now we're trading at $40,000. I'm just trying to show you guys how far crypto can come in 1 year, from 69,000, where everybody was saying we're going to the moon, we're going to the moon. Right now we're in 40,000 and everybody was shouting we're in the dump, we're in the dump. But let's not forget the rise that Bitcoin had in 2020 entering 2021. Bitcoin from March 2020 went up over 1,000%, over 1,400% in just 1 year. And guess what, guys? That was where the whole profit was made. A majority of the profits in the market was made in that 1 year period. So in crypto, 1 year is a very, very long time. We can have huge pumps. At the same time, we can have huge dumps. In the last 365 days in crypto, we have actually just been consolidating. We have had huge dumps. We had this huge dump from April 14. That was when the market actually topped in 2021. We have actually just been ranging. We dumped from April 14, 2021. We dumped till July 2021. We got from as high as 64,000. Bitcoin went to as low as 28,000. Then we went to back as high as 69,000. Then we came back to as low as 32,000. And right now we're at 40,000. What should we expect in the next 1 year? Guys, I expect Bitcoin to retrace to that $59,000, $60,000 region. And I expect us to actually dump in the next 1 year. Because, guys, let's not forget, Bitcoin halving is actually going to happen in 2023, 2024. We're going to expect another bull run. For us to really experience another bull run, guys, we have to experience another real major dump. But in the short time frame, you can see right here, the RSI is telling us that Bitcoin is actually almost getting to that oversold region. And that's what we want to see, because for us to really pump very hard, we have to start from this region where it's oversold, then for us to pump up. Because you see that when we got $48,000 right here on the 29th of March 2022, guys, guess what? Bitcoin was actually getting oversold, and the market sentiment is still in extreme fear, guys. We're expecting the market to be in fear or extreme fear for the time being. But what's the market doing this time last year? Let's go 1 year ago on the 14th of April 2021. What's the market doing? The market was in extreme greed right here. So in 1 year, we went from extreme greed to extreme fear, went to the both end of the spectrum in the space of 365 days. So right now we're in extreme fear. This is the very, very good time to accumulating the coins you want to accumulate. But imagine last year this time when extreme greed, a lot of people are still expecting higher prices. I just showed you guys how Bitcoin was almost setting a new all-time high this time last year. A lot of people are shouting to the moon. Every altcoin and every altcoin thought they were going to go to gazillion billion market cap, but that didn't happen. And you can see what happened throughout the year. We ranged between extreme fear, we went to extreme greed, we came back to extreme fear, and now we're still in extreme fear. But guys, in the nearest future we'll be going to extreme greed. Ethereum almost told us the same story on the 13th of April 2021. What was Ethereum doing, guys? Ethereum actually too just set a new all-time high. Ethereum was actually over $2,200. Will you believe that last year when we were this time, Ethereum was actually lower than where we are now? Ethereum was at $2,200. That was a new all-time high for Ethereum. People were happy. Ethereum is going to the moon. People are calling for $5,000 Ethereum, $6,000 Ethereum. But Ethereum got to as high as 4,400. That's in May. Then we had the dump that took Ethereum back to 1,700. Then we went back to 4,800, and right now we're at $3,000. So even if you have bought Ethereum last year, guys, guess what? You would have still been in profit at this point in time. If you bought Ethereum last year on this day, you would have still been up 43%. But guess what, guys? If you had bought Bitcoin at this day last year, you would have been down, and you would have been down not by a lot. You would have actually just been down over 33%. So you can see that in the last 1 year, Ethereum has actually outperformed Bitcoin. The whole market have actually just been ranging, but it could have been safer for you to be in Ethereum than being Bitcoin. A lot of people like shouting, oh, Bitcoin is coming for all fiat, inflation, yada, yada, yada. But guys, in the last 1 year, even if you are holding your fiat currency, you're holding your US dollars, you have probably just lost only 8, 9, at most 10%, but your Bitcoin would have lost 33%. I'm not telling you to sell all your Bitcoin for fiat. I'm just showing you what the narrative is. And when everybody shouting inflation, inflation, doing this, that's probably the wrong time. People actually always make their moves, and when the moves start coming to fruition, they'll now start bragging about it. But other people that are following them want to now start following those moves. Guys, if you want to win in this game, you have to be ahead of the curve. Another coin I like, XRP. Guys, on the 13th of April 2021, guys, XRP was at $1.8. And that was a very huge dump. Let's not forget, the SEC actually sued Ripple ending of 2020, so XRP dropped to like $0.18. People are saying XRP is going to zero. And at that point in time, at this point in time last year, that's 365 days ago, XRP already was up over 1,000%. That means all the people that bought the dip were actually already up. But guess what happened in the corresponding 1 year? A lot of people bought XRP at 1.7, 1.8, 1.9. They were expecting XRP to go to $10, $17, $20. In the next 365 days after that, XRP has just been consolidating from as high as 1.8. XRP came as low as 0.5, went back to 1.4, and right now we're currently trading for $0.71. Can XRP get to $10? Guys, very, very possible XRP can get to $10. All the indicators we are following is showing us that Altseason is yet to still come. I believe a lot of these altcoins are going to set new all-time high. But the purpose of this video, guys, is just for me to show you how things can pan out in the period of one whole year. We had one whole year where everybody was expecting higher prices, and we kept going lower, lower, and lower, and lower. At some point in time, guys, we cannot go any more lower. We have to just bust to the upside. I think we're almost at that point in time, guys. The point in time where people start giving up, when feeling like the pump will not happen, the pump is not real. That is exactly the point in time where the pump will happen. Guys, this is BTC shorts. BTC shorts always tells us the amount of people shorting the market, or the amounts of shorts in the market compared to long. And at this point in time last year, guys, the market was topping, and you could see right here now a lot of people were not technically shorting the market. We're almost at the same point. We had almost the same number of people shorting the market last year as we have right now, which is a very good sign. It's telling us that Bitcoin is actually getting to the point where to pop. And you could check the Bitcoin price, as you could see that at this point last year, Bitcoin really tried to have it literally had just 2 or 3% more in it before we had that final dump that took us to the 702 retracement, and that's what we're waiting for that 702 retracement that will take Bitcoin to the moon. So we'll be following this Bitcoin shorts to see whether Bitcoin will set new all-time low on the shorts. You can see that anytime Bitcoin shorts gets this low, gets to around 450 region, that's when the market's supposed to be topping. Right now we are not at that point in time. We'll be tracking this chart later, but the next chart we'll be checking, guys, is the US dollar currency index. We talked about this yesterday in yesterday's video. Why am I bringing the US dollar currency index in this video? Because last year, guys, at this point in time, last year on the 13th of April 2021, the US dollar index already lost over 13%. From March 2020 to April 2021, the US dollar lost over 13%. And you can see that from April 2021 to where we are right now, the US dollar actually has gained over 9%. But the US government is telling us that the dollar has actually lost 8.5% because the inflation figure that came out for March 2022 is telling us that the dollar is losing value at the rate of 8.5% per year. And this chart is telling us that the dollar actually gained 9%. I explained it in yesterday's video. For those of you that are new here, it just means other fiat currencies around the world are actually losing value faster than the dollar. But the dollar has lost value, but it has still gained 9% on other currencies in the world. And at some point in time in the future, the dollar will actually start losing value because we all know all fiat currencies are trending towards zero. Guys, you can see on the RSI right now, it's showing us that the US currency index is almost getting to that overbought region. I'm expecting it to actually start crashing, and when it starts crashing, I'm expecting the money to flow into crypto. And Bitcoin dominance last year, guys, yes, at this point in time, we are fully in all season. Altcoins were going front, left, right, and center. You can literally close your eyes and buy any altcoin, and boom, next year you're in profit. You can see that Altseason was happening in this time, at this point in time last year, in April 13, 2021. Bitcoin dominance was currently then at almost like 55%. Right now we're at 41%, which is a good sign. We're expecting Bitcoin to lose more dominance in the market. We want to see all those altcoins taking this market share from Bitcoin, but Bitcoin dominance has actually just been ranging since April 13, 2021. You could see we got as low as 39%, went back to as high as 48%, and we have just been dancing up and down. At some point in time, guys, in the future, we're going to break from this range, either to the upside for Bitcoin to set new all-time highs, which I think Bitcoin is not going to do, or guys, we're going to downside, which is going to signal Altseason, and that's the part of least resistance that I actually favor. I actually favor Bitcoin dominance to get lower and for us to enter Altseason. Guys, the next chart to be checking is this gold chart. What was gold doing last year when Bitcoin was popping? Bitcoin was almost getting to new all-time high, guys. Gold was trading for just $1,700, and you can see that in that period of 1 year, gold has actually to have been ranging. So there's a common theme in all these charts we have been looking, that the last 1 year has just been a ranging year, has been up and down, just been a washing machine motion. If you have been trying to trade in the last 1 year, you might have lost a lot of money. I was just saying it yesterday that I don't trade these currencies daily because guess what? I want to keep my money, and over time the market always wins, and I want the market to do the work for me. So I'll just hold and wait for the market to get as high as when I want to sell, and boom boom boom, I'm a sell all my crypto when it gets as high. Guys, the next chart to be checking is the total crypto market cap. This chart is very important. Why is it very important? It shows us the total market capitalization of all of crypto. And at this point last year, guys, the total crypto market capitalization was at $2.2 trillion, and that was a new all-time high. Everybody was kumbaya. The market was in extreme greed. We thought Bitcoin was going to $100,000, and right now we're at $1.83 trillion. We're in extreme fear. Everybody is scared. People are scared. Oh my God, is Bitcoin going to zero? Why is Bitcoin dumping? The altcoin market is dumping. I'm here to tell you guys, when is the extreme greed is always the time to sell, and when we're in extreme fear, it means maybe that's the time to buy, or maybe that's the time to continue accumulating. But it makes no sense to actually start selling all your crypto when we're in extreme fear. You can see that in the last 1 year, we went from extreme greed at this time last year to now we're in extreme fear, even though the total crypto market capitalization has not really actually shifted or changed that much in the last 1 year. We actually just lost only 14% in the last 1 year, which is actually cool if you think about how crypto is very volatile to the upside and to the downside. I'm expecting the total crypto market cap to still set a new all-time high. We'll still be following this chart, but right now we're consolidating. We're in up and down movement. We have been battling that $2 trillion region. In the nearest future, I expect us to break $2 trillion, or we might end up dumping, never say never, we might dump below $1.5 trillion, but we're between that range, $1.5 trillion and $2 trillion. At some point in time, I expect us to set a new all-time high for that. Now, the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys, we have a theory in this channel where we believe Bitcoin and Ethereum have gone on their full bull run and they might not set a new all-time high this year. I strongly believe in that theory, and you can see that in the last 1 year, the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, have actually not made any change. We're actually exactly where we are in the last 365 days. If you are following the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, should be exactly where it was 365 days. I know so many people's portfolio would have increased, decreased, so many people are in the dump, so many people have multiplied the portfolio, but that's what the chart is showing us, that we have actually not made any movement. We have made huge swings to the upside, we have made huge swings to the downside, but right now we're expecting huge swings to the upside for Altseason to happen. We're still waiting for Altseason. I believe Altseason will still happen in the nearest future. And the last chart we'll be checking, guys, is the crypto unicorn index. This shows us the total cryptocurrencies that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. And guys, this time last year, guess what, we are actually exactly where we were. So this chart is showing us that the last 1 year in crypto has been a year of consolidation, has been a year of ups and downs, have been a year of high expectations. People are expecting Bitcoin to reach 100,000 in 2021. It was not possible. People are calling for Ethereum to get to $10,000. It was not possible. XRP to get to $10. All those predictions did not happen, and I believe at the point in time where everybody start losing hope is where we'll start going to the moon. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more some videos like this. Turn on the post notification, guys. If you want to get notified anytime I drop new content. See you guys in my next video. Bye.